Dear students, we were studying in my last lecture equivalence relation. Now we come to equivalence class. For each x belongs to x, the set of elements equivalent to x may be written as given in this. Now we come to the size of a set. We refer to the size of a set as measurement by one-to-one correspondence as its cardinality. This notion enables us to compare the cardinality of both finite and infinite sets. In particular, we can use it to distinguish between smaller countably infinite sets such as the integers or rational numbers and larger uncountable infinite sets such as the real numbers. Cardinality between sets. Two sets x, y are said to have equal cardinality if there is a 1-1 onto map f from x to y. If f from x to y is an injective map, then we say that the cardinality of x is less than y. If x and y are sets such that there exist 1-1 maps from f from x to y and g from y to x, then there exists a bijective map between x and y. Now, various sizes of a set. A set x is called finite if there exists a bijective map between x and a set 1, 2, 3 up to n for some n belongs to n. अगर x ये फाइनाइट सेट लेते हैं और इनके बीच में बाइजेक्टिव मैप है तो ये कहलाएगा फाइनाइट सेट. इनफाइनाइट क्या होगा? इफ़ x इज़ नॉट फाइनाइट तो इसको इनफाइनाइट कह देंगे. अब आता है काउंटेबल इनफाइनाइट. इफ़ देयर एग्जिस्ट ए बाइजेक्टिव मैप बिटवीन x एंड n तो वो कहलाएगा काउंटेबली इनफाइनाइट, इनफाइनाइटली काउंटेबल. अब काउंटेबल सेट क्या है? इफ़ x इज़ फाइनाइट और काउंटेबल इनफाइनाइट. अगर फाइनाइट सेट है तो काउंटेबल होगा ही, या फिर इनफाइनाइटली काउंटेबल है तो उसको अपन कहेंगे कि वो काउंटेबल है. अनकाउंटेबल सेट वो क्या होगा कि इफ x इज़ नॉट काउंटेबल then it is said to be uncountable. Continuum cardinality. A set x is said to have the cardinality of the continuum if there exists a bijection between x and r. Union of countable sets. A countable union of countable sets is countable. इसी तरह से the cardinality of the power set of natural numbers is uncountable set. Let C belongs to Pn. Be an arbitrary countable collection of subset of n. तो C को अपन ऐसे डिफाइन करते हैं C equal to an where n belongs to set of natural number n. Define a subset A of n by A equal to n belongs to n does not belongs to an. Then A is not equal to an for every n belongs to n. Since either n belongs to A and n does not belongs to an, or n does not belongs to A and n belongs to an, thus A does not belongs to C. It follows that no countable collection of subset of n includes all the subset of n. So Pn is uncountable. नेक्स्ट अपन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे. थैंक यू.